Yes, 70.
Okay, thank you again for coming to this class, which is going to be about solving equations involving variables in either side of it. And let's have a look at this particular one. Whenever we got fractions, guys, it tends to be like, oh my God, this is going to be difficult. How I'm going to solve that? Don't panic. You just have a look at that. Your goal, just keep up. I mean, keep that in mind. Your goal is to let y on one side, numbers on the other side, variable terms on one side, and constant terms on the other. Okay, take a look that I have here, y over 5. I need to know what is the value for y that I divided by 5 minus 6 so I can get 8. So mentally, okay, I don't know what it would be. Okay, let's have a look at this. Um, y, guys, okay, y over 5 is right here. Okay, let me erase that. Y over 5 is right here. What is, I do not have another y. Take a look that this is the only variable. Then I'm going to say equals. The 8 is already on the right side. I just get it down. Do I have another constant term, guys? Do I have another number alone?
Yes.
Yes, Mister.
Negative 6.
6.
Negative 6. Of course, adding.
Positive.
Add positive 6, positive 6. Okay, this is what I got. Let's simplify that, guys. Let's simplify that. Y is going to be equals to, let's simplify it. 8 plus 6 is going to be 14.
14.
14. And, and then y, it's not alone yet. Take a look that y, it's got a number in the denominator, which is 5. That 5, guys, is pissing me off. Then this 5 is dividing. On the other side, it's going to be what?
Multiplying.
Multiplying. It's parentheses, it's going to be multiplying. With the sign, guys, you don't need to change the sign in this case. Just multiply by 5 each side of your equation. And then let's see what we got. 14 multiplying 5 is going to be equals to what, guys? What is this equals to?
70.
70. Okay, this is the answer, 70. This is my solution. And if you don't believe me, guys, you can check it. You can substitute 70 here. Okay, let's substitute. Let's have a look. Okay, let's see. Okay, instead of y, okay, check it. Okay, checking the solution. Okay, instead of y, I'm going to place parentheses over 5 minus 6 equals 8. Okay, let's substitute. Okay, I'm going to place 70 here. Okay, what is the value for y, guys? You said it's 70. Okay, let's substitute.
7.
Let's do this. 70 divided by 5. What is 70 divided by 5? 5 times can you get 70?
14.
14. Okay, 14. 14. And I just get negative 6 down, and I just get 8 here. Okay, let's simplify. 14 minus 6. What is 14 minus 6?
8.
It's 8. And it's 8 equals to 8, guys.
Yes.
Okay, we check it. Guys, we found what is the value here so that I can substitute in order to make the equation true. That's called solution. Let's go to the other example. All right, let's get into this one. We got fractions. You're gonna see, you're gonna say, hey, I don't know how to deal with fractions. I taught you this from the beginning of our classes. This is the main thing, guys, that I want you to learn. So if you handle fractions, guys, nothing is gonna be difficult. Again, I need to find what value y here, what value y here. So I make these two statements true. That's quite difficult and challenging. But using algebra and all the properties that we have seen, that will, I mean, that will allow us to solve this. Again, variables on one side. In this case, we don't have parentheses. Don't worry. Variables on one side, constant terms on the other side. What is the variable that I got on the left side? 3/8 of y, right? Okay, let's copy that. 3/8 of y. And do we have another variable, guys? This is supposed to be 3, guys. Sorry for that. This is supposed to be 3. Okay, that's awful. Okay, I should have leave it like that. I should have left it like that. Okay, through that. Do I have another y, guys? I just got this down. Do I have another y? Oh,
Yes, Mister.
Negative
6.
6/8 of y, right?
is gonna be positive.
Negative. Ah, yes, positive. I confirm.
Your side is gonna be positive because I need to add positive 6/8 of y in order to eliminate this one. Exactly. Then equals to this 5/12, guys, is on this side already. I just get it down. Do we have another constant term? Do we have another
Yes.
Yes.
one?
1 over 12.
1/12. Okay, that
Over 12.
on the other side is gonna be 1/12, but with the opposite sign. It's positive. Now it's going to
Negative.
be negative.
Negative.
And then, guys, let's simplify this. Let's sum this up. Okay, you have 3/8 of y plus 6/8 of y. We have the same denominator, guys. Piece of cake. You have the same denominator. Then what do you do with that? You copy the denominator
Just copy.
and you add or subtract the numerators. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 plus 6 is what?
9.
9 what?
Nine,
What are we talking about?
nine, nine, one.
9y. Y.
9 y's. Thank you. And on the other side, let's see that one, guy. Ah, mister, the same denominator, guys. This is a piece of cake. Okay, 12, you copy the denominator. And then let's add or subtract. 5 minus 1. What is 5 minus 1 equals to?
4, Mr.
4.
Okay, let's try to simplify this expression, guys. Take a look that you can simplify here. What is the half? If you can simplify, it's going to be even better. What is the half of 4?
2.
What is the half of 12?
6,
What is the half of 1? Sorry, what is the half of 2? I was thinking ahead.
1.
What is the half of 6?
3,
1/3. Okay, let us copy that again. 9/8 of y equals to 1/3. Okay, 1/3. Then again, my y, it's not alone, guys. And that is my main goal, guys. My main goal is to let a y alone. And it is y is going to be equals. I'm going to copy the 1/3. 1/3. Okay, let's have a look. What, okay, I don't know I'm a little bit clumsy today, guys. 1/3. Okay, what, let's forget about the 8. Focus up, guys, in the 9. What is this 9 doing?
Dividing.
The 9. It's multiplying in this case. In this case, it's multiplying.
Ah, yes.
On the other side, it's going to be
Divide.
divided, okay?
divide.
Divided by 9. I'm going to make this line a little bit bigger. Okay, I just got rid of the 9. Then the 8. What is the 8 doing here, guys? It's the denominator.
Divide. Divide.
Dividing. Okay,
Divide.
divided. What is going to be the 8 on the other side? If it is divided,
Multiply.
multiplying, okay? Multiplying. And this is what we got, guys. Let's simplify. Y is going to be equals to 1 parenthesis 8 doesn't mean 18. It means multiplication. 1 parenthesis 8, 1 times 8. 8. 8, thank you. And then 3 times 9 is not 39. It is 3 parenthesis times 20.
7.
27, thank you. It doesn't look like a 7, okay? And that is the answer. I think we cannot.
We have to multiply in that too, mister.
The 2, yes. In that case, the 9, you move it, divide it, but here, since it is a parenthesis, this multiplies. 3 times, it is not 39, okay? It multiplies. And this 8 that was divided is going to be multiplying what is up here. 8 times 1 is 8 because of the parenthesis. And that is that solution, 8/27. Okay, someone asked me decimals. Okay, what is the decimals, guys? Decimals numbers, guys, are the one when we work with points. Points. Okay, we're gonna work with that. How do we add decimals? Let's say, guys, that you have something like 1.5 and you want to add another quantity like 3.8. Okay, guys, you can do this, guys. I mean, horizontally, guys, it's you can do it. But instead of doing horizontally, guys, I recommend you to do it vertically, which is you rewrite this equation like 1.5 plus 3 point. You put the points together, okay? The point has to be together, and then you set up the numbers right there. Okay, let's do this one, guys, as you used to do it when you were in school. 5 plus 8. What is 5 plus 8 equals to?
13, mister.
I put the 1 up, okay? I put the 1 up because I got another unit, okay?
Ah.
And we get that point down, okay? Let's get the point down, point here. And then let's add this one. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 3 is gonna be 5. Okay, the answer
5.
is 0.3. Okay, in this way, guys, it's better because, I mean, we avoid any type of mistake. This is an addition. Let's have a look at a subtraction. Okay, let's say that you got something like, let me think, 3.8 minus 2.9. Okay, what is the answer for this? We don't know. Okay, let's figure it out. Again, you're going to place point and point here all together, the line. Okay, what is the first number? You put the points first. What is the first digit? 3.
3.8.
3.8. Okay. What is the second number?
2.
2.9. That points have to be together, okay, in the same position. Okay, then let's solve this. This is subtraction, okay? This is subtraction. Okay, 8 minus 9. What is 8 minus 9? I cannot solve that, guys. 8,
That we have to get right.
I'm gonna ask 8, 3. Can you give me a number? Can you lend me 1 unit? Yes, you're my friend. Okay, give me 1. But now 3 is not 3 anymore. It's gonna be
2.
right. Okay.
2.
That is 18 minus 9, guys. What is 18 minus 9? It's gonna be 9.
9.
Okay, 9.
9.
And then 2 minus 2. What is 2 minus 2?
0.
0.
Okay, my answer is gonna be 0.9. This is basically a review, guys. How are we gonna use decimal? Have a look at this. That's why I explained it to you guys how to work with decimal, because we're gonna have such an idea here. Okay, let's have a look at this. Again, guys, decimals, mister, don't worry, guys. It's exactly the same. Variables on one side, numbers on the other side. Okay, let's see. M, okay, I have one M here. Okay, let's copy that M. Okay, 14.2 M. Do I have another M, guys?
Yes.
Yes, 3.8 M.
Okay, it's positive in that side, guys. In this side, it's gonna be negative 3.8 M. Do I have another M?
No.
No.
If this number, guys, 26.8 is already here. 26.8 is already here. And do we have another number, guys? Do we have another constant term?
Yes.
Yes. Negative 25.1.
Positive 25. Thank you. Positive 25.
Positive.
Thank you. And then we got this 14.2 minus 3.8. Okay, that's why I taught you guys how to work with decimals, because we're gonna use that. Okay, let's copy that. I'm gonna solve it here. 14.2 minus what, guys? 3.8.
3.8.
3.8.
You have to put this in order, the points together, and then you put the numbers. Okay, just be careful with that. I know you handle this, but let's have a look at this. Okay, again, 2 minus 8. I cannot solve that, guys, because 2 is less than 8. You're gonna say, oh, 4, you're my friend, you're the closest one. Give me one number, please.
Already have the answer.
Okay, says that 1, but
2.
now it's gonna be 3.
13.
Excellent. Okay, these guys, 12 minus 8. Now we can solve it. 12 minus 8 is gonna be 4, right?
4.
The point down, and then 3 minus
4.
3. What is 3 minus 3?
0.
0. 0, 0.
And then
And
Yes.
we bring down the 1.
1 minus not here is the 1. We only get the 1 down. You can fill it with 0 too. 10.4, guys. Okay, 14.2 monkeys minus 3.8 monkeys is gonna be 10.4
monkeys.
and monkeys. Okay, thank you. Equals this quantity, 26 plus 8, 26.8 plus 25.1. Okay, let's solve that. Again, 26.8. We made the other point, and let's put the other number, 25.1. Okay, 125. This is an addition. Let's solve it. Okay, I'm gonna give you 1 minute to give that. Okay, thank you.
51.
Plus 1, thank you, is 9. I get the point down. And this one, 6 plus 5 is 11, right? 11, I got 1 unit up. And 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 51.9, correct. Okay, 51 here, 51.9. Okay, and then M needs to be alone, guys. M needs to be alone. Okay, this 51.9, I'm just gonna copy it, 51.9. And this number, guys, this number is multiplying 10.4. On the other side, it's gonna be divided. And then, guys, I didn't make a review, guys. I didn't make a review about how to divide decimals, but let's use the calculator in this case because the class is, we're gonna run out of time. What is 51.9 divided by 10.4 on your calculator?
Um,
9, 5, 5 point what? Or 4.90?
I got
I got
4.9.
4.9 in the other number.
Okay, let's leave it like that.
Yes, just put
I
three
did.
dots after it.
Approximately. Okay, this symbol, guys, this symbol means, this symbol is not equals. This symbol means approximately, aproximadamente. It's like more or less, that is a curved line. It's not a straight line. This is the equals, and this is approximately. Approximately 4.9. Let's go to the last example. Let's have a look at this one. We got parentheses, okay, 1/2 of a minus 2. I cannot simplify this. This is simplified. Then, therefore, the only solution that I got is to use the distributive property, right? Okay,
Yes.
we need to multiply 1/3 times 1/2. If you don't remember, guys, I'm gonna do it right here. Okay, let me just move a little bit here. I'm gonna multiply that. No, sorry. I got a call, guys, sorry. Let's have a look at this. We got 1/3 multiplying 1/2. Okay, 1/3 multiplying 1/2. How do we multiply? How do we multiply fractions? Guys, numerator, multiplying numerator.
The denominator with the numerator.
Hmm?
Yeah, the numerator with numerators and the denominator.
6.
Denominator times denominator. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, that's what I got, guys.
6.
6. Okay, these guys, the first one is 1/6 of what? What is the variable? The variable is
8.
8.
Thank you. Let's go to the other one. 1/3 multiplying -2. Okay, let's copy here. 1/3 multiplying -2. Okay, you're gonna say, Mister, this is not a fraction. Get it into a fraction. Add a 1. Okay, then again, the same idea. 1 times -2, guys, is -2. And 3 times 1 is 3. -2/3. Okay,
3.
-2/3. Of what? Okay, of nothing, right? Because are constant terms. They're constant terms, just the number. Equals, let's go to the other side. And we're gonna use the same idea. 1/3 multiplying this. Okay, let me copy that. 1/3 multiplying, what number do I have here, guys?
1.
1, but 1/3, guys,
1.
1 is the same. We don't even need to solve that. 1/3
Yes.
multiplying a is 1/3 of a. That is easy.
Yes.
A walk in the park. The other one, 1/3 multiplying 2, -2. 1/3 multiplying -2. I think it is the same, right?
Yes.
It's the same answer,
Negative
Mr.
2
Is this one 1/3?
over 3.
Okay, -2/3. Thank you. -2/3. -2/3. All right. Then, guys, let's move variables to one side and numbers to the other side. Let's copy this 1/6 of a, 1/6 of a. And then we have another variable here.
Yes.
We got that 1/3 of a, right? 1/3 of 8. And
Gonna be
positive,
negative.
and this is gonna be negative. Thank you. Equals to this. What it is, guys? -2/3. I just get it down. Okay, -2/3. I just get it down. -2/3. Do I have another constant term?
Yes.
Is
Yes.
Right.
2/3.
Positive 2/3.
to be positive.
Thank you. Equals, and let's simplify. Okay, we need to simplify this. 1/6 of a minus 1/3 of a. Guys, again, we got another fraction. So what are we gonna do? I'm gonna move this real quick. I need a space here. I need this, guys. I need to work on this. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I need to add this. I need to add these numbers and this. And how do we do that? Okay, let's do it again.
Add, Mr.
Subtract, sorry. 1/6 minus 1.
Okay.
I was confused.
Sorry, my mistake. Okay, how do we do this? Okay, we have different denominators, so let's find the least common multiple. What is the least common multiple of 6 and 3? 6,
6.
6.
3, 6,
It's 6.
9. Oh, it's 6. Okay, it's 6. Okay, let's put it 6. And we need to divide here and multiply here. 6 divided by 6.
1
1. And 1 times 1
is
One.
1.
One.
minus, okay, let's copy that, this minus sign. 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. 3 times, can you get 6? 3.
2.
2. 2. 2 times 1
Two.
is 2. And that is equals to what, guys? 1 minus 2
One. Six.
is 1 over
One,
which
one over six.
up?
One over six.
Minus, right? Okay, minus 1 6. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 over 6. Okay, these guys, 1 6 minus 1 third, 1 6 minus 1 third is equals to negative 1 6. Okay, negative 1 6 of what? What are we talking about?
Eight.
Apples, right? A. And then this one, negative 2 thirds plus 3 thirds. Take a look that in this case, guys, we have the same denominator. We only copy the denominator. Let's solve it here. Negative 2 thirds plus 2 thirds. We have the same denominator. We copy that denominator 3. And let's add or subtract numerators. Negative 2 plus 2 or 2 minus 2. 2 minus
Four. Ah,
0, right?
zero. Yes.
Okay, 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 divided by 2, guys. 0 divided by 3 is 0. Okay, guys, all of this is 0. Again, A is not alone, guys. A is not alone. Okay, how do we leave A alone? Okay, take a look. This, okay, I'm going to copy the 0. I'm going to copy the 0. Take a look. This negative 1, guys, is multiplying, right? The negative 1 is multiplying. What is the negative 1 going to be doing on the other side?
Divided.
Okay, this 6 is dividing. What's going to be doing the 6 on the other side?
Multiplying.
Multiply. But guys, 6 times 0 or 0 times 6 divided by negative 1, all of that is what?
Zero. Zero.
Because 0 times 6 is 0 and 0 divided by negative 1 is 0. Okay, then the answer is 0. And this is our solution. Alright, guys, to do a lot of things with fractions. I know that, but it's not. Okay, let's have a look at this expression. 3b plus 12 divided by 6 equals to 4b divided by 3. Again, what is pissing you off, guys? You have to get rid of what is pissing you off.
The six.
Okay, the 6. This 6, mister, is pissing me off. Okay, let's get rid of it. 3b plus 12 equals this. Okay, I'm going to copy exactly what I got. 4b over 3. And then, guys, this 6 is divided. What is the 6 going to be doing on the other side?
Multiply.
Okay, multiplying 6 here. Okay, let's simplify that. 3b plus 12 equals, okay, let's get rid of this parenthesis. This parenthesis means multiplication. It doesn't mean 4, 6b. No, multiplication. 4 times 6, guys. What is 4 times 6 equals to?
24.
24. 24b, right? Okay, let's copy 24b over 3. Can we simplify, guys? What is 24
No.
divided by 3? What is 24 divided by 3?
I don't know. 8.
24 divided by 3, guys, is 8. All of these, guys, is equals to 8. Okay, I can write 8 here. Instead of having 24 third, I can say 8b. It's the same. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Okay, guys, now let's move variables to one side and numbers to the other side. 3b. Do I have another variable, guys?
8.
The 8b, right? Instead of 24 thirds is 8b. It's positive. Notice that it's positive. And this side is going to be negative.
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 I have no number here, but do I have another number here?
12.
12.
The other side is going to be. Let's simplify this then. What do we got? 3b minus 8b. 3 minus 8. We have different signs. 8 minus 3 is 5b. Which one is the biggest one? The negative or the positive? Negative, okay? Negative 12 here. Take a look that b is not alone yet, guys. Okay, b is not alone. I got a 5 multiplying. I need to move it, guys. I need to move this 5 multiplying with a sign. Negative 5 multiplying on the other side is going to be?
Dividing.
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 Excellent. And now B is alone, but let's simplify. Take a look at 12 divided by 5, guys. We cannot simplify it, okay? But the negative and the negative, guys, the moment that thinking in the same way, it's going to be what?
Positive.
Positive.
Well,
Positive.
this is what we can do. Positive.
Ah, so when we cannot divide, that's what we're gonna do.
Okay, just copy it, just like that. But in this case, what I did is just simplify the numbers. I just copied like that. In this case, what I did is just to use this. Negative and negative is positive. Just that, and I copy the numbers exactly as they are because I cannot simplify them.